Welcome back to another video. I want to discuss this section regarding 3D experience. So the file size of the install is quite large. So currently is around 30 gigabytes for me. And for example, if I will go over here within human design, I'm gonna see that all of these characters will be available within that install. For example, if I will create this realistic human over here, I will click create. This has been loaded locally, and yeah, we can go around and do various changes over here. But what I don't understand is why should we have all of those stored locally if this is a cloud-based solution and we could just store them over there and access them when we want to. For example, if I will compare this to Blender, which is around 1 gigabyte, so for Blender 4.0, and this also can be linked to various plugins, such as we have Blender Kit over here, and if I want to search for a character, I can just type in over here character. Let me spell that correctly. Okay, so that should be the correct name. And over here, if I will just want to add a character, I can select it, drag and drop it, and we're gonna see how that will load. So this has been around 2 megabytes. We see that the mesh is not that high detail, but with texture this character will start to look a lot better. The same with this one, for example. We're gonna see how that started to load. And if some assets have been already been used, they will be preloaded, so they will be stored locally, because when they are downloaded they will be stored locally. But as you can see, this is a better I don't know, overall implementation, so you shouldn't have everything pre-installed. But for example, there will be models like this which are photogrammetry based characters. If I will drag and drop those, we're gonna see that this will be higher, so this will be 13 megabytes at a resolution of 2K. And the same with others created by the same so this preloaded, since I made use of it within a previous work, and I already had that added, so it will just instantly load. But I hope that you see where I'm going with this. Since they want to create a web-based platform that is constantly connected to the internet, in my opinion, it would be a lot better to make use of such, let's say, file management, so that they will not always be pre-installed, because not everybody has a lot of storage. Maybe some have some smaller SSDs, and if you're going to install 3D Experience and other software, you will end up without any space on your main drive. And yeah, that's my take regarding this. I'm really curious, what is your opinion regarding this? If you would like the software to be a lot lighter, but have all those stored within their clouds. Maybe they don't want to have that, let's say, all the traffic on their servers, because over here with Blender Kit, they have it on their free Blender Kit server, and I'm sure that it will, let's say, create some problems along the way, and they should upgrade their servers. But keep in mind that Blender Kit is used by a lot of users, and as we can see over here, it works just fine. And I have the free versions, just like the vast majority. With the paid version, you would have access to all those assets that have a small lock over there. But we see that there are a high variety. So this is for characters. If I'm gonna type in car, we're gonna see that we have over 1,722 searches just for this, just for car. If I will type in airplane, we're gonna see that there will be 208 searches for this, so results. And keep in mind that this will be constantly updated as they add new models. For example, if I will add the Airbus over here, this will be at the true scale, and we're gonna see this will be just 2 megabytes. And look how fine detailed this airplane is. Just for 2 megabytes, the mesh, and afterwards we're gonna have those textures. Okay, so let me know what is your opinion regarding this in the comment section, and if you enjoy this kind of content, consider to give this video a like. That will really help me with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.